All right, welcome back. We're helping you save money and keep your home energy efficient.
Yeah, you guys at home can do just that by upgrading your windows and doors. And here to help is our friend Mark LaVoie, president of Advanced Window Systems. You guys have seen him all over TV. I'm sure you're located right in Berlin, family owned and operated. So good to have you here.
Yeah, thanks very much for having us on the show, guys. We appreciate it.
So what does it do for a homeowner to get new windows? It can make your home so much more efficient.
Oh, so much more efficient. When you have, we don't realize how much heat we lose through the glass and then the seals of the window. But we do feel it when we get those drafts and cold air coming in, that's for sure. So that's what we can do is we come in, we have a lot more energy efficient glass. We have windows that have, a lot more seals than what they currently have in the home, so we can make it a lot more energy efficient.
And now would be really the perfect time to do it because once winter comes, it's pretty chilly. So.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, this is this is kind of the
prime time.
Yeah, winter's on its way. This is the time to get it done. So if you get windows and doors done, it could save you a significant amount on your heating bills.
So it can be a daunting project, though. It's a big project. Do you have varying price points?
Well, we do. We have different options for different people. I mean, our real kind of main focus is we try to, we focus, and our goal is help people improve their homes and lives.
Yeah.
So we try to offer the top, best products at very affordable prices.
Yeah. The best value, and you have all different types of styles because everyone's house, whether it's a really old one or more contemporary, you guys are able to have the solution, which is great. And it's cool because you guys are locally owned and operated. Your dad started the biz. How 40 years ago was it?
40 years ago.
Wow.
He actually, in 1978, he started out of the house. We went from out of the house to manufacturing our own windows in New Britain, and then we outgrew that, and now...
There it is, right there.
Yeah, is that it?
There's a house.
Brings you back to your childhood.
So,
Now, were you working as a little guy? Because you've been in it for 20 years now.
Well, I started in 1998 when we were manufacturing the windows, and I actually started into manufacturing end, so I made the windows, I helped install them, and then I started doing the sales end, and now I run the company.
And you were saying how important it is to you to continue that family legacy, a Connecticut business right here.
Oh, it's very important. I mean, we believe family is everything, and that's why we try to help the community and families out here as well to help improve that efficiency. But we want to keep it in the family as well, and that's why I have my
your sons here.
That's why you brought a small family member.
This
is
is
the future of the company.
Right here.
Yeah,
he's like mini-me, like two handsome men right
He
now.
is right there.
Ready to rock. Very cool.
Yeah. So it started with my father 40 years ago. I'm in it 20, and we got the next generation right here.
All right. So we'll be interviewing him in a few years.
Yeah, we will. We'll be proud.
Awesome stuff. So if you guys want to learn a little bit more information, all you got to do is go to advancedwindowsystems.com. Again, they're located in Berlin, Connecticut, and so many solutions for your home. Save money, get that energy bill down. So it's
a good project to do. Thanks so much for joining us, guys. We appreciate it.
Thank you, guys. Appreciate it.
All right, and best of luck.
Yeah.
I know you guys are going to be busy this season.
Oh, my goodness. Swamped out.
All right, well, we're wrapping up CT Style here. I've had fun with you the last 3 days. Thanks for having me on.
I think Teresa's back tomorrow.
She's back tomorrow.
I know she's stuck on a plane somewhere, but it's been so much fun with you. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks so much for tuning in. Make sure you follow us on social media at Ryan Christopher.
At Sarah Cody Media. At CT Style.
At Advanced Window Systems.
There you go.
Whatever it may be, make sure you guys connect with us. We'll see you tomorrow.
Have a great